Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand dryer and it's giving you an ER18 or an E18. Depending on the model you have, it'll display a little bit differently. But anyways, the 18 error, and you're trying to figure out what is this error and what do you need to do. So basically, the ER18 error is an electronic error where it's sensing a short circuit either in the main thermistor or in the compressor thermistor, which is basically the thermostat that detects the temperature. But the reality is that this could be anything from the thermistor itself having an issue to the wiring actually being short-circuited to something on the control board that is faulty and is not acting right. So the one thing you can do is to check the wiring. But beyond that, you're really going to need to have a technician to test everything and find out, because you're probably going to have a component on your dryer replaced. But anyways, hope this video at least helps you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.